Hey YouTube kittens, it's Cat the Cat, greetings from Tokyo. It's Lucky Bag season! Today was a lucky bag that I got from Marui Annex in Shinjuku. They have a lot of different brands there, and they also have a lot of different accessory makers there. So for example, one of them would be Kompitu. Kompitu is actually one of my favorite accessory brand makers. I know the designer, I've seen her on festivals. She sells a lot of her things just by herself. You can really tell she loves Harajuku fashion, she loves her own things, and she's actually now recently sending it out to different places all around the world. So that's, you know, unique indie accessory makers. And there's another indie accessory lucky bag that I managed to get my hands on. Ta-da! And this is a lucky bag from a brand called Prince Duck. And the lucky bag was, I think, 3,300 yen. So they're selling their things at the Kara store in Marui Annex in Shinjuku. And you can kind of look into it. To be honest, you could actually, there was actually a little label attached with it that kind of told you what you're actually getting in this lucky bag. So it's very, very gentle, very, very kind. But if you're like me, you're very curious what's in it, and I could already see some sparkles and some glitter, so I had to get this one. Also, it's supporting an indie designer, so I'm 100% up for this. Okay, the bag is cute. First of all, I already saw this through the bag, and I thought that was adorbs. Look at those wonderful sparkly stars here. They're actually sewn into the bag, so you can't take these ones out. They're just there, and they're just wonderful. Okay, this is already part of the fun. That's their logo here, by the way, Prince Duck. Let's take out the first item. Ta-da! And those ones are cat rings. Oh, look at that! Ta-da! Meow. I love how sparkly it is. Look at the sparkles. It's like sparkly all around. There's a sparkle in the front and then some sparkles inside of it as well. Also, look at this little extra bit of detail here. The bubble wrap is actually heart-shaped. I've never seen that before. Ooh, would you please excuse me while I just have some fun over here with my bubble wrap? Woo. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Da-da-da-da-ba. So the next one here is the very first necklace from Prince Duck that I will own ever. All right, this is cute, this is cute, this is cute. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Okay, here is the chain, some bubbles here at the front. And then it is a resin key with loads of sparkles, bows, moons, stars. It is super dreamy and super magical, girl. That is so precious. Look at this. I love shiny, cute resin accessories. Ta-da! Okay, I love how unique this one is. It has like a little flying bird here. And then the star that's very, very sparkly. All the stars and the sparkles are wonderful, but oh my gosh, I was hoping this would be a necklace. Oh no, I have absolutely no necklace crafting skill items to turn this into a necklace. So it's just a wristband for now, I guess. But it's a bit too pretty to just be a wristband in my opinion. Oh man. Oh, that's so cute though. Well, I think this is still a good deal, thinking that loads of these kind of type of accessories are going for 2,000 to 3,000 yen anyways. So you're kind of getting a ring, bag strap, and a necklace for, you know, the price of one item. So that's actually a good bargain. I think that's a good bargain. But I really, really want you to be a necklace. Does any one of you guys live in Tokyo and can turn this one into a necklace?
Okay, I'm kind of proud of what I came up with here. Look at that. That is pretty nifty, isn't it? Yes.
If you love kawaii Harajuku style fashion and accessories, then this lucky bag is definitely for you, because that one is bigger and it has so many cool items in it. You don't want to miss out on that one. So if you haven't seen that video yet, be sure to check it out. Thanks for hanging out here in Tokyo. I hope you've pushed the subscribe button because I'd love to see you again. Catch you soon in Tokyo. Bye!